Hello class 9. Today we are going to talk about the topic missing words. Lot of doubts are facing regarding this topic missing words. Let me tell you this. This is the passage given here. You have to read it the passage and you have to use the parts of speech. What are the parts of speech? You know, everybody know. Nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. So these all are the parts of speech. To maintain a proper English grammar, you have to use parts of speech. So here is the passage given. Some missing words are there to make. This is not a right form of passage. You have to read the passage and find out the missing words. Wherever necessary, you have to add the missing words in this and you have to write it here. So first you can see here, Chaman belonged to poorest of the poor. Yes, you can read the first sentence. Chaman belonged to poorest of the poor. Here you can see poorest is the degrees of comparison. Yes, poor, poorer, poorest. Yes. So here poorest is the superlative degree form. So you have to write the here. So the missing word is Chaman belonged to the poorest of the poor. So you have to write here in this part you have to write the. Yes. So what is the word before? We are writing here is you have to write here the missing word is the. Yes. And word after. What is the word after we are using? Poorest. Yes. And to. Word before is to. So to the poorest you have to write there. And when going to the second sentence, you can see there, he and wife were laborers. He and wife we know were laborers, but whose wife she is? We have no clarity here. So he is given. So you have to use he and his wife. Here his is what? What kind of parts of speech you can say it is a pronoun. So you have to write here the word before. You are using word before is what you are using is and missing word is his. And word after, what is the word after his is wife. Yes. So these three are the missing words. So you have to write here his. Right there his. Okay, this his is the missing word. Then go through the third line. They were old and weak to work for. Yes, they were old and weak to work for. They are feeling very weak. So by this you can say they are too old. Means they are the old one. Yes. So you have tried there. They were too old and weak. You have tried there. The word missing before word is what? Missing word is too. And what is the word we using after word is old and before word is were. Were too old and weak to work for long hours, developed blister on hands. So next line you can see here, long hours, developed blister on hands. So they were old and weak to work. Here I told that before you have tried too old and weak to work for, but and here long hours, developed blister on hands. So you can see here they were too old and weak to work for long hours. This is one sentence, and the other sentence is to be added using a word, conjunction word, that is and. So you have to write here word before is hours, 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 and missing word is and, hours, and word after is developed. So word after is developed. And next you can see here long hours and developed blisters on hand. Blisters, it means a small bubbles or red color rashes on the hands, you can see on hands. But they not stop working. You can see here working is a kind of verb, so you have to write they, but they did not. Did is a verb. Yes, so they did not stop working. They did not stop working, as doing so was face much more troubles life. So as doing so was face much more. Here was here you have tried, you can say as doing so was two faced, because two is a kind of preposition to add. So here as doing so was to face much more troubles life. As time passed, blisters grew severe. So you can see here as doing so as doing so was to face much more troubles in life. As time passed, blisters grew more severe. Means as going on, the time is passing off. Then what happened to the blister? The blisters are growing more and more. So you have to write here grew more severe. More severe is we are using the superlative form. A visit doctor was needed, so they went to him at last. So this is what we are using, this kind of. You have to write here what are the missing words here. First is and, we have written here Harvard's and developed. The next is but they did not. Here you have to write they did not. Then after you have to write as doing so was to face much trouble, more troubles. As time passed, blisters grew more. You have to write here grew more severe. Okay, so these are the missing words to how to use in a passage. So please follow this, and as whenever you are writing this missing words, you have to watch before and after words. What are the before and after words? And then you have to write the missing word according to the passage. You have to make the right words in the parts of speech. This is what the missing words. Go through the next one and do the examples using the before one. Thank you.